Right now in the U.S., there are 120,000 nursing jobs that are going unfilled. In Maine, with a decreasing number of young people and a rising number of elderly, this situation will be among the toughest for patients and families alike. Tracy Cloutier is an RN and medical careers instructor at the Mid-Maine Technical Center.
We have a nursing shortage going on. That's been an ongoing thing as long as I can remember. This hasn't really changed. The numbers have gotten a little bit better for a time frame, and now they're slowly climbing to be worse again.
Rebecca Thompson is a nursing clinical informatics specialist at the Maine General Medical Center in Waterville, Maine.
It's projected in 2025 that we'll have a shortage of 3,200 nurses.
Madison St. Pierre is a first-year student in the medical careers program.
Patients are going to be at risk if there's not enough nurses because they need to have a lot of staff on. You can't be short on nurses because they do so much.
Trevor Meter is a nursing technician in the emergency department at Maine Medical Center in Portland, Maine.
I think it has a lot to do with we don't have enough nursing programs in the state of Maine to take on all of the students who are qualified and want to go to nursing school.
In Maine, it can take up to 3 years to get into a nursing program.
Things that really could help improve things would be to make sure that education is paid for.
I want to go to college for nursing after high school because my mom was in the medical field and she loves her job, and I want to be able to have a good time working. I plan on staying in state for college and the rest of my life. This is just where I grew up and I like it here. I don't want to go anywhere else.
I think the way we are going to solve this problem is by technical centers like Mid-Maine Technical Center that is getting students so young at 15, 16, 17 years old to become CNAs, technicians, and get working while they're still in high school.
Students come into my program, they gain their CNA certification, but they gain much more. They are actually taking medical terminology course, which is part of their curriculum. They also gain CPR certification, serve safe food handling, so it's not just about this one window.
Doing this class right now is going to prepare us when we're in college because we're going to already be certified, so then we can just start on nursing and it will get us out in the field quicker.
I can go beyond the scope of practice of the CNA and expose them, though they're not required, expose them to what they're going to be looking for in their future.